2031 Evergreen Avenue in Chicago here. We have just sanded down this reinstatement right here, and it is confirmed to the right is right this way is the bathtub tie-in. This is where the bathtub ties in. And as you can see, holding a lot of water there. The whole pipe is pitched pretty flat, and this is a straight T. I'm able to go both directions with the camera. That was to the right. Again to the right. Let me spin the camera here and I can make it go to the left. There, and this is to the left the other direction. So we have a toilet line hitting a straight T. I'm able to go both directions with no string, just simply by spinning the camera. The liner's in about as perfect condition as can be, all the way to the ejector pit right there. Now pulling back into the bathroom. And here is the straight T again. So we have not only a straight T, but also a relatively flat pipe right here. And sure enough, right here is where the backup occurred. Right here, the pipe was fully backed up upon arrival. I was able to use the camera and push the blockage out with some difficulty.